Hello, in this video we show you how to do an oil service reset on BMW X5 F15. When we turn the ignition on, we can see it says service due since June 2024, so that means oil service reset needs to be. To do the oil service reset, ignition needs to be on, and we need to push this left reset button. We need to push it and hold it until the secret menu shows. Next, we can push the reset button a couple of times to scroll through the secret menu. We go to engine oil. When we go to the engine oil on the menu, we press and hold the reset button until it asks us to reset it. Then we let go of the reset button, then we push it only once and it starts saying reset in progress, and a reset succeeded. That means that engine oil service has been reset. Thank you for watching.